Well, needless to say, it's raining. I did get an umbrella from my hotel, so I got that going for me. As you can see, this is in Pattaya, Thailand, and normally you have a hard time even crossing the street here because there's so many cars and motorbikes. But today, with all this rain, it's almost deserted in comparison. So just a quick shot of what it looks like in the rain here. You actually, well, finding a restaurant's a little tougher too. There's only 800 of them open instead of 8 million. Hello, how are you? How are you? This guy's braving the weather, still out serving. I don't even know what he was serving there, but alright, well, you get the idea. So, it's a rainy day in Pattaya.